Hi children, good morning to all. Let's start study. You are studying many things. Okay, today we met again to discuss our fourth biology classes. Our topic is protection from weeds. Okay, very well. We have studied the crop protection management, the lesson crop protection management, protection and management, that is the chapter name. In this lesson, we have studied agricultural practices, the task for agricultural practices, that means the steps. The first step is preparation of the study in order, and second is sowing, and third is adding manure and fertilizer, and fourth is what is fourth? Irrigation method, and the fifth step, that is protection from weeds. Is not it? Am I right or wrong? Yeah, that is correct. Irrigation, and next step is protection from weeds. Okay. So before that, how do you cultivate plants scientifically? We have proved that we can cultivate because first we prepare the soil, second is sowing, and third is adding mineral fertilizer, and next is irrigation, and now the fifth step is protection from weeds. So actually what are weeds? Weeds are the plants, unwanted plants. They are growing along with the main plants. What happens if they are growing with the main plants, They compete for food, sunlight, nutrients, water, etc. etc. You know that. That is why we must remove these plants. Actually, what are weeds? Weeds are the unwanted plants or undesired plants growing with the main plants. Are you clear? That are called as what? Weeds. Are you clear? What are weeds? Weeds are the unwanted plants or undesired plants growing along with the main plants. We must remove these plants, otherwise they will compete food, nutrients, water, sunlight, etc. etc. Are not growing enough, rich and profuse. Are you clear? That is why we must remove that. What are the methods do we use for removing these weeds? Why we are saying that we must remove these weeds? In ancient times, in olden days, we are used for this hand. We are picking these weeds by using our hand or cutting close to the ground. These are the olden methods, and we called it as traditional methods. Otherwise, we will pick up all the plants or we are cutting close to the ground. These methods we are did. So nowadays, instead of cutting, we use chemicals. What we use? We use chemicals. So the chemicals are used for removing weeds. They are called as weedicides. So now we have studied what are weeds. And second, what are weedicides? What are weedicides? Weedicides are the chemical substances. They are used to remove weeds. Are you clear? Weedicides. So, weedicides, for examples of weedicides are 2,4-D, simazine, diuran, diuran. These are examples of weedicides. So given in your textbook, 2,4-D, simazine, diuran. These are examples of weedicides. What are weeds? What are weedicides? Weedicides are the chemical substances that are used for removing weeds. Then how will you use weedicides? What are the precautions do you take while using weedicides? Weedicides are chemical substances. All weedicides are poisonous substances. While we use these without precautions, it will cause many diseases to us, harmful diseases, especially lung diseases to us. Now, what are the precautions do you take for using weedicides? You know, we use it's familiar for you, mask. Tie your mouth and nose well, and using a sprayer, a bottle sprayer. We can use that and we spray on the weeds. Are you clear? When we will use these weedicides? Before they produce flowers and seeds. Not all the times we use these weedicides, because the best time we will use the weedicides when before they will produce flowers and seeds. That is the best time to remove the weeds. And other methods we have studied about Carfi and seed tree. We have studied a hoe when I have taken the preparation of the soil. Can you recall the things? What are hoe? It has a two purpose. It is used for ploughing and removing weeds also. We can use this hoe as a tool for removing weeds. And another tool is Carfi. It is also used for removing weeds and by doing manually. Okay, so these are the methods we will use for removing weeds. So now we have studied how we will give protection, how we will protect the crops from weeds. Okay, dear children, weeds are the unwanted or undesired plants that are growing with the main plants. We must remove that, because of if they are growing, there is a competition. They are competing for food, shelter, for it, and nutrients, sunlight, water, etc., etc. So, weedicides are the chemical substances we used to remove the weeds. So these are examples. 2,4-D, simazine, diuran are examples for weedicides. Then what are the precautions we take for using weedicides? And at first, all the poisonous gases, we diluted this with water. Add more water to this poison, these chemicals, and using a sprayer, we have to spray on the weeds. It will not affect the main crops, but it removes all the weeds. Are you clear? Yes. So next is harvesting. So weedicides we studied protection from weeds. Then the next step is harvesting. Now our crop is harvested. What is harvesting? It's ready to harvest. What is harvesting? Harvesting is an important task. You know that. So the cutting of crop after it is mature. When it gets maturity, you know that it takes at least 6 months. One is sowing. First we prepare the soil and sowing. From the time to sow, then later it produce the seeds and flowers, etc. That is its harvesting time. When it gets maturity, we will cut it. That is called as harvesting. What is harvesting? It is the cutting of crop after it is mature. Then what are the methods, tools are used for this? So traditionally we use sickles. We pulled out all the crops using our hands and at the base we cut it. That is one of the method. So the traditional method is a sickle. Then nowadays, instead of using sickle, we use combine. What is combine? You know what is combine? This is carried out with the help of a machine. Then it is used for the same time. It is a good harvester and also it is used as a threshing machine also. That is, it has two advantages. So what is threshing? You know that threshing is a process by which we can separate the chaff from the main seeds. It is a separation of chaff from the main grains. It is separated. The chaffs are away from the grains. That is later, very lighter seeds are chaff ones. That I also discussed when I have taken the sowing, the second step, the sowing, you know. So how we will select the seeds. The chaff ones get away from the main grains by a process known as threshing. So for threshing and also for harvesting we use a combine. Okay, would you understand? Then, you know, have you studied in previous classes about winnowing? What is winnowing? You know, the farmers with a small land holdings, they have small holdings of land, they will use, they do these methods for separating the grains from chaff. That is winnowing. That is winnowing. Now we have studied the harvesting. That is also, it's an important task in agricultural practices. What is harvesting? When the crops get its maturity, that means produce flowers and seeds, it is ready to cut. It's time to cut. That process is called as harvesting. We pulled out the crops and we cut the base. Then we use sickles for this traditionally, but a modern tool we use a combine. At the same time, it acts as a threshing and at the same time as well is used for harvesting. Okay. Yes. That's enough today. We'll see on next class. That is the last task storage. Okay children, study very well.